Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is how to use P2P without getting scammed. So in this video, I'll be showing you practical example of how to do P2P. So I am going to use Bitget Exchanger. Basically, it's they are all the same. Whether you're using Binance, Bybit, Bitget, BingX, MEXC. So the interface all looks the same. So in this case, I'll use Bitget. Bitget is actually the exchanger I normally use for my P2P. So here's my Bitget. Here's my Bitget. So you click on add funds when you enter here. You click on add funds. You scroll down. Can you see this currency here? This is Nigerian currency. If you want to change currency, you click here. So for example, you are in the USA, you click USD. So any country of your choice, you click on, you select. If euro, look at euro here, look at pounds, look at Ghana CD here. So you select the country that you want to perform the P2P. For those who don't know what P2P is peer-to-peer. So it's a platform where you exchange USDT to a local currency. So I'll click on P2P trading here. Now you can see, you select on method. Look at method here. Which is my own is bank transfer. You click confirm. Then limit. How much in Naira do I want? So I'll click on 10,000 Naira, confirm. Then USDT. Yes, USDT. So here this filter, sometimes if it is Bybit, you can select the verified merchants or the merchants that you have traded with. Here I can decide to select those that I've traded with. But I will just leave the settings to all. I will confirm. Now there's a criteria I will use here to know who I can trade with. Can you see this? It means this one has been verified. And you can see total trade. Can you see total trade? Here. That's within this month. He has performed 20. Okay, total, not only this month. Total 26,000, which is very high compared to this. So it means more uh, users trust this particular one. So I'll click on it. This one is from 5,000. No, you also check the price, which one is favorable to you. Now look at this. I'll go with this. The amount in Naira from 10,000 and above. No, delete from 10,000. Why is it showing me? Okay, I have USDT. I have 4 USDT. So I have to go and transfer some funds to. I'll come to this place. I have $13 here. So I can make transfer from spot to over the counter, or from spot to over the counter, so that I will be able to carry out that transaction. So let me quickly go back. Add funds, P2P. I want to sell. That's another thing I did not show you. You can buy or sell. So in this case, what I want to do is sell. I want to sell. It's here. I click on the method, confirm, limit 10,000, confirm, USDT. Yes. So I can sell here. This is sell. I'll click on sell, accept, agree. Max 13 USDT. I want to. So you click here, sell. Now, can you see? This is the name of the person that I'm going to perform this. The trading amount is 20,344. But this particular one, the buyer is paying presently, but I can still cancel this transaction. I can still cancel this transaction. Okay, this transaction cannot be cancelled. So once the buyer pays the money, I can now proceed from here. This is basically quite easy. Once you reach here, you know that. But make sure that before you release the USDT, ensure that you check your balance and make sure that the merchant has actually paid you the money. You check whether the balance has been credited to your account.